love the 2022 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, wheel locks, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, roof rack, rear view camera, wireless charging station, audio radio, touchscreen display. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.